Explain the concept of how plan A will never work if you have a plan B in mind. Today we're going to a Valentine event. I'm excited for this because this is actually the last event that I will be doing on my job here. I like this I just got to know Malaika Arora, Rohit Saraf, and a lot of other people are also coming. So
Change the pose.
Like a zillion times now. Hello there. I had been manifesting this subconsciously for it to happen, and it did. But even the way that it did was a little nerve-wracking, confused as to why this decision and why now. Go attend a party and keep my best face on. My stomach is hurting to keep sleeping.
This is a taping and there's a bunch of cameras here. My director might want to take a couple of shots. So we're going to start the whole hour again. And you just have to fucking laugh like crazy. You should tear your clothes. They came on the fucking boat, they're like, ha! Bloody Indians! We'll civilize you! We'll teach you English!
So today's comedy special by Ronak was really funny. I'm glad I went on my period because my stomach's anyways hurting, and instead of cramping, it was hurting because I was laughing today. So I'm literally at 5 wearing a Jadao necklace, and I changed my entire outfit based on this necklace because I want to wear it. Classic me things. I wore a nose ring because the song, you will see, I'm gonna post this before the video comes out. How many times have we done this choreo today? We did it? 9 बार तो हमने वीडियो में लिया है.
No, literally, too much. Like, you gotta sweat. It's the proof. Do you want me to?
You all remember this skirt that I wore in the Ananda vlog, and today we're here for a tennis trial on. This is probably my third trial and I still haven't made any decisions to join. Just lack the consistency and discipline. But I came to this side of the court because Yogesh sir bluntly told me that there are only kids right now, and that's honestly so. How do you not respect someone's time? You've called them at 6:15 and you don't have a slot for them. Morning is the only option. Only got to switch off my sleeping cycle. But I met someone who has seen me in dance class at Studio 189. Definitely there is something good that came out, and I'm getting to use these tracks. So I'm gonna go and jog for a bit.
बोल छुट्टी चाहिए तो छुट्टी लूंगा मोस्टली.
My hands have never shaken before. It's the first time I've want to take time out to give everybody watching a life update, because in the working vlogs and it's not even like I want to hide anything. It feels really holy to me. Listen to me, some delicious green tea. Okay, on my I'm dressing up right now for an event that is by the company that I work in, but I'm not going as a working employee. I'm going as a guest because I was invited for it via and yeah, like I was saying, plan A will never work if plan B is always an option. And Alexander the Great, I heard this in one of the interviews by this beautiful actor in Hira Mandi called Tajdar. His name is Taha, and if you watched his interviews, you would know that
How Alexander the Great came here and he said, burn the ships.
like I literally wanted to get it tattooed on my body or something.
Right?
ये अच्छा रोल मॉडल है.
Insinuating the fact that you need to like go all out. There was this one line phrase, die trying.
Because either you make it or you died trying.
You die trying, yeah.
Trying
Right? And that's what it is for me.
really hit me and stayed with me. It's like it's okay. You can complete die trying, but just don't lose hope and move on to something that is of a lower caliber than you know your capabilities. So just stay true to that. Tied up my hair because it's extremely uncomfortable to do that with those cute little clips on which look amazing. Get to work with Anastasia, one of my favorite brands and concealers ever. It was one of the most pivotal moments in my career so far. It was the first post that I did as a official employee. I think I'll forever be grateful for that opportunity because I made a few really lovely friends. So talking about NYFA, New York Film Academy, is a dream that was not even stagnant. It was so active for the longest time. They had a branch in Phillips Capital in the 11th, when I was in the 11th grade, but then it shut down. And that was so keen. And he was the only person in the family that I was like, listen, hey, I want to go there. I want to do something of my own and learn acting from them, like professionally, because I've done a lot of dramatics and a lot of inter-college and inter-school competitions in this arena. But yeah, it just feels insane that the actor I was talking about, he had the most impact putting down my papers and not having any rectification to do, nothing of that sort. He happened to mention that he went to NYFA in Abu Dhabi, and it just is insane that I am so happy on the day I've gotten a mail for resignation. Cuckoo, but I think that's what life is all about. I am trying so hard to keep my calm right now. It's obviously company matters, personal, private. Like I owe it to the few people that are watching all the work vlogs. I know I'm not adept at a lot of things. I'm not very great at the menial tasks like sending out emails, making presentations and things like that. I would rather want to brainstorm with someone, my ideas, discuss my point of view with somebody and then work. Like I can't handle an environment where there is literally no personal contact because my company wasn't in Bombay. I was honestly very scared. There's no one really here to guide me to travel a lot. But with a job, you obviously realistically cannot take a 1 month holiday and bounce off, right? June 7th, I'm gonna finish my Rishikesh trip on that flight to US with a clear mind. I literally cannot believe life right now. I have just come from one room to the other and I have gotten a message regarding own costings for a dance reel, and this is for a makeup brand that same company has as a client. So insane. Kylie Cosmetics literally was the last brand that I have worked with. I wanted to take a moment to apply their plus. Quite like the nude look. I love how I'm casually talking about makeup after literally explaining why I have resigned. And I have emailed a ton of people in the industry, and it's crazy because I know I've been manifesting this shift for a very long time and it's finally happened, dawning upon me that the day I get this email I have to go attend an event. I've been thinking about this for a very long time. The site looks quite nice.
The radical act. Wake up inside. From this awful slumber, struck me with your almighty thunder. Won't you go now? Bring your desire.
The sweetest thing is Narayana. The day is ending with the homies.
अभी पापा इतना जल्दी इसको 20 का मत करो। मेरा पेट दुखता है। क्या पेट दुखता है? I can't sleep. Stop it now. But trust me, I'm more than enough about it. Months later, but my stomach. मतलब पेट्स का कितना चलन हो गया।
Oh my God, what the hell?
अरे खिड़की बंद करो, बेवकूफ करती है क्या?
On my job, you're best well for it, so I feel confident. Calm before the storm.
जाऊचे जे दादाने मळवा ते आधी हाफ एन आवरचे आपला मी ते गॅशिता ऑल्सो